Here today I'm showing you how to cut, it's about 1/4 inch plexiglass. I had a little side window down on my house around the corner there. I'll just show you. A little side window on my house here that I had a board covered up because I broke it out a while ago. I rolled a tire and it broke my window out. So I've seen a lot of things. I was looking on YouTube for ways to cut plexiglass, and there's not a lot of info out there. I cut one piece already. I cut it just to see if it would work because I'm trying my own deal here. But I put some tape on there to keep everything together. I mean, I bought this piece here at Lowe's for 30 bucks. I'm not really trying to screw it up. I set it on my dirt bike stand here, and then I set this vise that I had for weight there, and I'm using my little Black & Decker jigsaw deal here, and the blade I have on there I used once already. It's looking like it's got some melted plastic on there, but that ain't a big deal. But this blade here is a metal blade. It's for metal. So I cut real slow. This one here, I'll get the camera set up so you can watch me cut that one there. But I mean, this is the button on this controls the speed. There's not a little wheel that I can turn that can control the speed. So I just hold it down low speed and let her rip. Take her real easy and it'll cut. It cuts it, and then from underneath, I don't know if you can see, but there's no cracks or anything. So I'll get the camera set up and we'll get this cut in. Alright, I got the camera set up here. I'm going to go ahead and make my cut. I'm going to go slow, show you what I do. There we are. Ugh. That thing's heavy. There I am. No cracks or anything. Got it all cut. Nice little cut on there. I don't know if I'm looking at it correct. Yeah, nice cut. No cracks. I mean, it came with the plastic on it already on both sides, but I put tape on there just to be more safe. I'm going to get this undone, get all the plastic off of it, and then mount it on the window and show you what it looks like. There we have it with all the plastic taken off. Looks like it's all a little window. Like I said, no cracks. That's just plastic I need to keep peeling. But, yep, she's going to look good. There it is all put in. Looks good. I got some tape holding it there, that way the glue can dry. I put the Loctite all-purpose all the way around it, clear. There's some that you can see on the window there, but I'll just scrape it off once it dries. But yeah, it goes to show you don't need any special tools to cut plexiglass. If you like my video, subscribe, like it. Subscribe to the channel, help me out, help the channel grow. Thanks for watching, guys.